part 2.
This video.
We have a flashlight now.
Yes, I got a flashlight.
Where we left off last time.
So we're gonna be under the bed for a while. Now, move in. Pepe slept over. The stupid fox did. That's why he's still here. Okay. Oh, I need to get like this. I need good lighting. Oh, I can't fit. I can't fit. Can you fit? You fit. Oh my God!
So we're under the bed now.
Why? We're under the bed now.
Well, we need to find the cat. Wait, I see him. Turn your cameras over. It's the wild beast.
It's the wild beast.
Don't shine it in his eyes. No, don't shine it right in his face.
Look,
he's trying to catch the dot. Okay, I'll hold the flashlight.
You're bad at it. Wow. You're going to be under here the whole day chilled with Diego. Here, I'm going to try to go over on that side.
I'm probably going to add some background music before I'm done.
What?
Oh, he's coming.
Wait, so we're not going to have any talking?
No, we're going to have talking. I'm going to turn the background music down.
Okay.
Get on! I need to get my cool tool.
Oh my God, it's fun going under.
Back in.
Oh, this is so cool. You should so go on this side.
Yes, I got it. Oh yeah. I need this thing so he can try to catch it.
Guys, if look like light when you turn the flashlight off.
It's really dark.
Yeah, it's pitch black. So
I'm so close to him there.
and now look like I can pet him. Give me a pet here. What tool did you get? It's really bad. It's like
I got this tool.
it's not really. You can't get a good view on him. You need to go like very far back.
It's in the kitchen table. Grab it. What are you doing?
I got him on camera.
Where's him?
He's just
Where's Pete and Jet?
chilling.
Where's Pete and Jet?
Hi.
Your stomach's hurting or? Is your stomach hurting? Then why haven't you gotten up to help you?
Stop. Oh my God, you're like bumping. Yeah, pause and we'll end the video there.
Oh, this is catching cat part. No, it's catching cat. We need to get a cat out.
Yeah. Oh crap.
Do a part 3 on yours then.
How? But you won't be here.
No, do it now. Oh, you never ended it yet?
No.
Oh, I thought you said you ended it. We gotta get him. This is cat catching.
Guys, I'll be back with another video. I just noticed this is too long, so I'll be back in another video. Yep, pumpkin, subscribe to the
I'll be back
like,
with the
comment. See ya.
I'll be back with part 3 in like 2 minutes. So,
Watch the video.
subscribe and leave a like and comment and stuff.